camera, she's waiting for us there. And now a bit of sandy ground. See? Macrozamia. These big grass-like things are actually macrozamias. Yeah. How beautiful is it? Good girl, good girl. Here he goes off the road again, complaining about his feet. But what I like is, I like for him to have confidence. Ears pricked, looking forward. Well, he does have the dog to look at, which is good. Gigi, when the horse comes, my recommendation is you get out of the way. Yeah, that's just a recommendation. You know, you don't have to follow it. Yeah. That's better. Yes, that's it. Look how curious he is. When I think about him stuck in that paddock, and look how nice his legs come, really good, very pleased. And there, look, what is that? So confident. I love to see it. Coming? That. Last time we were here was with Aladdin. I feel he's with us today. In spirit. In spirit and in Dinka. He's where Aladdin is. That's why they say the spirit lives on. That's why. And how nice is it out here today?
Everybody's free. Everybody's free. Everybody's free. Everybody's free. Everybody's free. To feel good. To feel good. Brother and sister, together we'll make it through. Oh yeah. Someday a spirit will take you and guide you there. I know you've been hurting, but I've been waiting to be there for you. And I'll be there just helping you out whenever I can. Everybody's free. Everybody's free. Oh, yeah, yeah. Everybody's free. Everybody's free. Oh, yeah. To feel good. Oh, to feel good. Oh, to feel good.
Oh, it smells so good.